Good day, everyone. My name is Reggie Patago from the University of Mindanao. Today, I will be presenting my study entitled Research Project Management in the Academe, a multiple case study from the lens of project managers. This research deals into the experiences and strategies of project managers in the Davao region, Philippines, focusing on how they manage and implement academic research projects. Why research project management? In the rapidly evolving landscape of education, research projects are pivotal in shaping the future of academia. They require expertise in both subject matter and project management to drive organizational growth and efficiency. Effective research project management supports the Sustainable Development Goals by providing knowledge and innovations to address global challenges. Academic institutions play an important role in developing sustainable solutions and collaborating with all stakeholders. Despite their importance, research projects face significant challenges, including high uncertainty, diverse project teams, pressure for creativity, improper planning, missed deadlines, budget overruns, and balancing researchers' commitments. This study addressed the research gap by focusing on the experiences of project managers in the Davao region, Philippines, aiming to identify strategies to cope with the challenges and improve current practices utilizing a multiple case study approach. The objectives of the study are the following. First, how do the experiences of research managers shape the research capabilities of the academic? Second, what are the mechanisms of the project leaders to effectively implement the research projects? Third, what are the best practices for research project identification and implementation? Fourth, what are the problems or challenges associated with the implementation of research project? And lastly, what are the motivating factors of managers in managing research projects? As to the methods of the research, this study employs a qualitative approach using a multiple case study design. It involves 10 participants consisting of 5 research managers and 5 research staff, selected through homogeneous sampling. Data collection methods include key informal interviews utilizing semi-structured open-ended questions. Data analysis involves thematic analysis to identify recurring themes and patterns, ensuring a comprehensive understanding of the challenges and best practices in research project management. The results and discussion section highlights the key findings of the study. We will deal into the experiences of project managers, the mechanism they employ to implement their projects, best practices, challenges they faced, and the motivating factors that drive them. These insights will help us understand the dynamic of research project management in academic institutions. Table 1 presents the harmonized cross-case analysis on how do the experiences of research managers shape the research capabilities of the academic. The themes include the following. First, institutional support and engagement. Second, financial challenges and personal investment. Third, community and stakeholders impact. Fourth, skill and knowledge development. Fifth, building research capacity and leadership. And lastly, systematic monitoring and reporting. Table 2 provides the harmonized cross-case analysis on the mechanisms of the project leaders to effectively implement the research projects. The themes cover first, proposal development and review, project planning and orientation, monitoring and evaluation, flexibility and adaptability, staffing and team competence, capacity building and training, dissemination and utilization of results, and finally, the stakeholders engagement. Table 3 outlines the harmonized cross-case analysis on the best practices for research project identification and implementation. The key themes identified are number one, continuous monitoring and evaluation, collaboration and networking, agenda based and impactful project selection, incentives and rewards, theme based approach and support, and the last one is commitment and dedication. Table 4. Examine the harmonized cross-case analysis on the problems or challenges associated with the implementation of research projects. The primary themes include the following. One, competing responsibilities and time management. Second, financial and administrative hurdles. Third, coordination and stakeholders engagement. And lastly, skill and competency issues. As to the harmonized cross-case analysis on the motivating factors of managers in managing research projects, Table 5 discusses the themes which are the following. First, community impact and engagement. Second, recognition and incentives. Third, professional development and growth. Fourth, leadership and mentorship. And finally, the administrative support. Based on the presented result of the study, the researcher highlights the need for strong institutional support to address the complex challenges faced by research managers. Practices such as regular monitoring and evaluation, effective stakeholders engagement, and a structured approach to capacity building and training are essential. Research managers should prioritize the alignment of projects with institutional and funding agency agenda, as well as the development of comprehensive dissemination plans to maximize the impact of research findings. In conclusion, the study on research project management in the academy provides valuable insights into the mechanisms and practices that research managers employ to effectively implement their projects. The findings underscore the significance of institutional support, meticulous project planning, and the necessity for flexibility and adaptability in managing research initiatives. Addressing challenges through targeted policies and practices can significantly lead to a higher quality research outputs and greater contribution to academic knowledge and societal well-being. Thank you very much for your attention, and um, I am happy to answer any questions you may have. Again, thank you and may God bless us all.